welcome back to my channel. First of all, let me grab my coffee. Today's been a struggle. I can feel myself getting my powers back. So today we are enjoying Nespresso vanilla custard pie. I am running on little to no sleep, but I'm making it. I'm surviving. So I'm coming to you guys today, share an activewear haul because honey, I want to share with you some amazing Yvette Sports pieces that I received this month. You guys know I love Yvette Sports. I'm also gonna be taking you guys along with me to the 3 grocery stores that I go to every week when I do my weekly hunting and gathering, because it is definitely hunting and gathering. So I'm gonna show you guys what I kind of get for the week. I'm also going to cook with you guys today. On Instagram, I'm always sharing my dinners, and you guys want me to have like a cooking channel. I am not a chef. I don't even like to cook, but the family's gotta eat. So mama has to do what has to be done. So this month I received 2 pairs of leggings. I bought a pair that I'm currently wearing because I love them so much from last month. I received 3 sports bras. So 2 pairs of leggings and 3 sports bras. Let's get into it. I'm actually wearing the first sports bra right now because it is my favorite. Now, if you've been watching my Yvette Sports try on hauls for months, you would have already seen a style like this. I will put it across the screen because of course, I don't remember right now, but this is what the back looks like. It's really open, super stretchy. I love that it holds in all of my back fat right there. Let me hide the tag. I love that it holds in all of my back fat. All the great features about Yvette Sports are the same with this bra. Super amazing fabric, very, very comfortable, moisture wicking, 4-way stretch. It really just molds to your body. These sports bras are so comfortable, and I would expect for these to cost around $35 to $55 because they're so well made. You have like breathable fabric right here. It's not mesh, but it is breathable, really, really comfortable. This is a high impact sports bra. Let's do the bounce test. You guys know I always do that because having a larger bust, it's important for me to know that the girls will be fully contained. This bra passed the bounce test. I also received this bra a few months back in black, and I really love it. I love that it's high cut, but it shows a little cleavage with this like keyhole in the front. Now, of course, I have a coupon code for you guys to enjoy your Yvette Sports. When you are purchasing, make sure to refer to their sizing chart, you guys. This is a Chinese-based company, so not only will it take your items a bit longer to get to you, the sizing is different. I find that everything runs a little small. So right now I'm wearing a 3XL D through F, and currently I am a 38 double G in UK sizing. If I were to go to Target and buy a 3XL sports bra or Eloquii or Lane Bryant, it would not fit. I am not a size 3X, okay? I'm a size US 16, but this 3X, as you can see, fits really nicely. The band is not rolling up, it's not buckling. I have space to move and bend. It's fully encompassing all my side fat, which I have a lot of because I've lost around 50 pounds. So the 3XL works really well for me. So just be sure to refer to their sizing chart. Some ladies have told me that they've purchased and their items didn't fit. So please, please, please refer to the sizing chart. If you need help, definitely reach out to customer service. They can help you virtually. They can help you on Instagram, anything like that. So first bra I'm in love with. So these bottoms, these are the sustainable leggings that I showed last month. I am obsessed. I love them so much that I actually purchased these on my own. They are so comfortable, they're so stretchy, they're so soft. I purchased these in a size 2XL. Once again, I normally wear a size extra large. So they do run small, but these fit really, really well. They're high support. They don't show my cellulite. Now, I purchased these to wear as regular leggings because they are so comfortable. These are the sustainable leggings, like I said. They are made from 75% recycled fibers. Hello, we love a sustainable queen. So I love these leggings so much. Last month, I thought my favorites were the purple low support leggings. I did one workout in the high support sustainable leggings, and as you can see, I purchased these with my own money. So, you know, a lot of times people are like, oh my goodness, is Yvette Sports really that great? Yeah. I have purchased countless items with my own money. That's how you know when an influencer really loves something. Like, it doesn't matter whether or not things are sent to me or not. I'm gonna be real, but when I can spend my own hard-earned coin on it, you know it's good. So definitely check those leggings. Okay, my second outfit, which I just love so much. This is a little mauvey purple outfit. So the bra is high support. It zips in the front, which I love because I don't know about anybody else. The worst thing is for you to be hot and not be able to get your sports bra above your head to take it off because your body's wet. So I love that this one zips in the front. But the best part is that it is fully adjustable. So you have this piece, and I can't ever take it out because I won't be able to see over my breast to adjust it. But there are all these little hooks. So if you need the band tightened or loosened, you can do that. Love how open this one is in the back. It has cushioned shoulder straps, so it's really, really comfortable. This is one of my favorites. Besides the fact that it doesn't have padding, I do really like it because it's super, super supportive, which is nice. So once again, you have that great 4-way stretch moisture wicking fabric. I mean, this one I love. Once again, it encompasses all of my side fat from losing weight. And this panel in the back also has some compression, which is really nice because it makes me look nice and flat. And your girl does have rolls. Like, get you a thick girl. I don't know what to tell you. It is what it is. I have rolls, I have cellulite. Love your body, it's beautiful, it carries you through life. So, these leggings are the same as the ones I just showed. I will insert a picture of what they look like when I'm wearing them. I love these, they're high-waisted, they don't roll down, they're really, really thick and nice. They're not see-through, very, very thick. They don't show cellulite on me. I really, really enjoy these leggings. They're super, super comfy. And because they are thick enough, I do wear them outside of the house, which is a must for me. This is an all black, everything kind of vibe. I will put the name of this sports bra across the screen. I really, really like it. The only thing is that it has minimal stretch. This is probably the highest support sports bra I have ever worn from Yvette Sports. So much so that there isn't a lot of stretch even in the inner liner of the cup. So my breast tissue isn't fully encompassed. So as you can see, I have a little spillage on top. Like I said, I'm a 38 double G. These go up to 5XL D through F. They usually fit, but when there's a stiffer cup and no stretch, there's not really anywhere for my breast to go. So I do have a little bit of spillage and wrinkling of skin because I have loose skin after losing weight. But I do like this. It has no padding and no stretch. So you're in here, okay? Once again, fully encompasses all of my side fat here, smooths me out, like really, really nice. That's why I really like Yvette Sports bras because they really just hold all of this in. And when you're a plus size woman, sometimes even if you fit in the cups, you're like spilling out on the sides. And I like my loose skin to be contained. So I really like that. This passed the bounce test superbly. Like I said, this is probably the highest support sports bra that I have ever received from Yvette Sports. So this is a really great all-around option. Now it doesn't feature the same amazing, super comfortable fabrics such as the blue bra or even the purple one because this is a stiffer bra and there's less stretch in it. But if you are a runner, she's a track star, you need this, okay? Need it. Okay, let's get into these leggings. And I'll insert a shot of what they look like on the bottom. These leggings actually feature mesh panels. The fabric is definitely not like these sustainable leggings. These don't have as much stretch. Now, they still fit, but like, I can't get my whole bottom, hips, thighs, and everything in these. It's not as comfortable and stretchy, but it does have mesh, and anybody who knows me in real life knows that I live for a good see-through moment. So I do enjoy these leggings, but they're not going to be as comfortable as the black and the purple sustainable leggings or even the light support leggings. They just feature less stretch. So I wouldn't wear these to do anything besides an elliptical workout, because if I'm gonna be bending, stretching, reaching, they're gonna fall down just because I'm in here, but I'm not in here and comfortable. I'll just say that. But overall, I really do like these leggings. They fit really nicely, besides the fact that they don't have a ton of stretch in them. I love that they have the mesh pieces. They are about ankle length, ankle to capri length on me, and I do enjoy them. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the try on portion of this haul. I'm going to put back on my favorite outfit, which is the blue and the black, and I'm going to run to the grocery store, so follow along. I will see you guys in a moment. Bye. Hey guys, so just got back from the grocery store. I wanted to quickly share with you guys what we picked up. What's for dinner tonight? Oh wait, I didn't make the list with you. I'll put it across the screen. I can't remember. I'm also super sleepy, but I wanted to show you guys all the groceries that we got from the store. Let's go. So every week I start off by making a grocery list. If you guys don't know, I'm a little OCD. So this week we are having roasted chicken with green beans and rice. We're also having turkey wings, zucchini and onions and potatoes. And then the last meal that I'm gonna make is going to be tacos with chicken, onions, peppers, cheese, and shredded lettuce. So I pretty much plan out my week like this. I cook 3 times a week, and usually on Saturday we'll order out because mama needs a break. Yeah, that's what I am cooking this week, and those 2 things at the bottom are what I have left to get at a later point, just because I don't want to buy all that right now and then it goes bad. So let me show you what I purchased from the grocery store. Green beans, I have this mango juice for Bellinis on Sunday. I got this coconut water because that's good for hydration. Then my girl the Chic Nurse Life was talking about this on Instagram last night, so I saw one at the store and I decided to pick it up. Also picked up a black water just because I wanted to try it. It's black. Hello. I got boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. These are going to be for the chicken tacos. Ground beef for baked spaghetti, just to have it. Sometimes I like to make an extra meal throughout the week so that if anyone gets hungry, they can have that during the day. Picked up some provolone cheese, a jalapeno, because if I want to make quesadillas, I can put that in it. And then I also got the zucchini for the zucchini and onions. Some chicken broth because I also like to make soups sometimes. So free range chicken broth, low sodium. You guys know I don't cook with salt, so everything that I buy, if there is a low sodium option, I like to get that. I got some chicken noodle soup because we've been dealing with some allergies and such, and I just feel like when you have allergies you should just go back to basics as far as food. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cans of chicken noodle soup. Also, because of allergies, I picked up some throat coat, Q Throat Baby, because I know you guys are spicy. Then green tea, that's always good. Kroger was out of pizza rolls, and sometimes I like to have a little treat. Like I said, I'm not denying myself of anything. This new health journey is just about living and thriving, honey, and that's what we're doing. So I picked up these Annie homegrown pizza poppers, pretty much a healthier or more all-natural version of a pizza roll. And I also like that there's less in the container, so I don't feel the need to overeat. Large brown cage-free eggs. We like to make a lot of eggs for breakfast. I like to make scrambled eggs, eggs with rice, stuff like that. Some organic tomato paste because I'm gonna make baked spaghetti. I also needed more Italian seasoning. Whole peeled tomatoes for the baked spaghetti. Some mayonnaise, bread. And then I got sweet potatoes, onions, and green peppers. Some Mexican cheese in case we want to do quesadillas. some shredded cheddar cheese for the baked spaghetti, low carb tortillas. Like I said, I'm not on keto anymore, but if I can cut back on my carbs, I like to do so. If I want to eat an entire pizza, she's doing that. So low carb tortillas, linguine for baked spaghetti. We needed more storage bags, and he really likes these cookies, Stella, little like biscuit cookies. I actually tasted one of these and they are not bad. They taste like a wafer, so really like those. So we got 1 pack of those, some extra virgin olive oil, and then the last thing is jasmine rice because my family loves jasmine rice. So that's my grocery haul. Now let's get to the good stuff. Hey guys, so I just got back from working out and shooting content, but I'm about to cook dinner, so you guys are going to follow along with me. Now I'm not going to be talking through it because my family's in the background, and yeah, so I will put any instructions across the screen and list everything I am using down below. I'm going to be making a roasted chicken with green beans and rice maybe. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my famous roasted chicken recipe. I made it for the first time maybe a month ago, and oh my goodness, it is so delicious. It's so flavorful. Like, I'm usually not a fan of roasted chicken. Ever since getting my air fryer maybe 2 years ago, I've been obsessed with using the air fryer, but I learned how to make a roasted chicken and I'm obsessed. So come along with me, shall we? Served. We are about to eat. I am exhausted. I have been up since like 7, and I got go eat, Chloe. It's time for everybody to eat. And I only got like 3 hours of sleep, and I have 3 caffeinated beverages inside of me. Fun, fun, fun. So I am going to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's news. I'm going to link all the products and all the recipes and everything that I spoke about down below. Let me know if you try my roasted chicken recipe and the green beans. So good. I'm gonna go eat. I'm starving. Definitely check out Yvette Sports. Thanks so much to Yvette Sports once again for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Well, not tomorrow. What am I talking about? I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.